Zero to hero, 363 preparation. 363 preparation. So what I'm doing here is pausing again before we get into the actual steps, because I'm going to introduce you to something that's not normally included in strategy work. And there we are. It's called a subjective framework. I have borrowed the Zetetic language model from one of our other businesses, and this provides a framework for the first 3 steps and the last 3 steps in the 363 model. So the first 3 steps are subjective. The last 3 steps we name as creative. But the main point here is I'm starting you with a subjective framework. It's not necessarily rational or objective. And this is the bit that gets left out. This is the bit where often strategy fails. This is the bit that people do not discuss. This is the bit where they lose value in their proposition and fall out with each other as they try to execute something they thought was a great strategy. So I hope I've made my points. This is the bit. Okay, and this subjectivity idea is the starting point, in my opinion, of developing an excellent strategy, certainly a reliable strategy. Okay, I'm now going to show you the model. So when you look at this page, I'd like you to look to the right-hand side, and you will see a list of words: purpose, values, vision. Recognize them? Yeah. Purpose, values, vision, specific mission, objective, strategy, and strategy as a story. Now, the first 3 are purpose, values, and vision. The second 3 are mission, objective, strategy, and strategy as a story. You can see that each of the words has a symbol next to it. And then in the center of the screen, you can see a picture that incorporates those 6 elements, the 3 and the 3. And to the left of the screen, you can see the words or the questions that we use to explore each of those 6 elements. And you can see that we're keeping it very simple, but these questions are tried and tested. So you don't need to modify them. Okay, but each step will be explained in detail. The main point I will make here is that the circle, the green bit, is your sense of purpose. And it really is the heart of the matter. It's a feeling. It's an image. It's visceral. It's all of those things which eventually get translated into a sentence that might look logical. But we cannot start there, because we want to find, it cannot start with logic. We want to find the fuel that makes your heart beat. And that's what that green circle is, the fuel that makes your heart beat. However, we cannot go there immediately. So step 1 starts in a slightly different place, and we'll see what that is in a moment.